When your dick is your cameraman, it's kind of... Good morning and happy Christmas Eve. Right, I'm feeling a bit worse. I'm coughing a lot and my voice is kind of squished. Kind of not good, but yeah. And my plan for today was to get up early, which I kind of did. Not as early as I wanted, but yeah. Finish the calendar. I went to bed really early yesterday, so I have to do that now. Finish making the calendar, which should go quickly. Go to the store and print it, and then still get some more Christmas decoration stuff, some few ingredients that we forgot or bought too little of yesterday. Finish wrapping the presents and also make the popcorn garland, which should be fun, I guess. Finish the painting, little things like that that I need to do today, and also chill a lot. Have a lot of tea. I'm gonna get started with some coffee and tea. It's funny when you make coffee and tea. Should I open my Christmas calendar? I don't really feel like eating chocolate, but it's the last door. Can you see it? It's an angel. Gotta meet an angel sometimes. I'll just put it down. I don't feel like eating chocolate right now with the way my throat is feeling. Back home, it's 11. Well, a little after 11, and I have finished all my shopping. So all I have to do now is wrap presents and do everything else. But first, let's have breakfast, which I decided to be McDonald's. Hey, I know I have these horrible glasses on. They do not look good, I'm aware. I took a nap and just got up. Well, just got up is a bit exaggerated, but you know, it's not that long that I've been awake again now. And put out the arts and crafts ingredients so I can finish the painting, so it can dry, and then I'm going to continue finishing the calendar. I have printed it, but I have not, you know. And also I need to wrap that, and wrap everything else that needs wrapping, and start working on that popcorn garland, which I think is the priority. And then I see how much I want to decorate the tree. Also, I should eat something. Anyway, I'm gonna have some tea now, so maybe this goes better. Coughing a lot still. I'll show you the picture one last time, unfinished, and you'll see it when it's done. So I finished painting and it kind of looks like that. I don't know if that's good. The eyes of the skull are a bit too dark, I think, but it's alright. I'm happy with it. I let it dry. I think I'm pretty happy with it. Making popcorn for the popcorn garland. Well, I showed you that I finished the painting, put that to dry. Finished wrapping all the presents, even the secrets. Well, it's not Secret Santa. What's it called? I forgot what it's called, where you just bring a gift and it's garbage. It's a thing in Germany, I don't know. We're the only country that does that. But that's what we're doing next week on the 27th. Eating. I have been eating and coughing and watching a bit of YouTube. Making tea. I should shut up. I just wanted to show you that I am making popcorn so I can start working on the popcorn garland. I figure it would be smart to do that while I watch videos. Fuck. Little update, I have now been threading for 1.5 hours. It doesn't look much, but tried to wrap it around, but it was so sticky that I couldn't really do it. But I like looked at it and I think it fits, so I pulled it back like another meter on the string. I'm gonna thread that. Surprisingly, not that much popcorn has broken off or ripped off or broken, or I already said broken, didn't I? My arm is hurting. So yeah, I'm gonna finish that and then just throw it on there. I'm tired, it takes so long, and that is the done popcorn garland. It's about twice as long as I'm tall. But I just realized while trying to put it around that I should put on the lights first. And also I need to unhang my laundry. And I forgot to do laundry. Yeah, but I'm done for today. I don't think I am capable of doing anything else. Headache. Oh, my tea. Gotta make tea. Good night, and yeah, I hope your Christmas was as fun as I hope mine is going to be. Yeah. Bye.